Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can go live on Wix, or in other words, how you can publish your site. So let's get right into it. Now, as you would probably be able to tell, I am using Wix Studio. The process is pretty similar in between Wix Studio and the standard Wix editor. Currently, I'm using the Studio. However, you can use whichever you want. I'll explain it for both. So let's get right into it. Now, if you're on the standard Wix editor, you will see a tab that says Site somewhere in the top left, right next to the logo. As you can see, since I'm in the Studio, I do not have that button. However, I have that logo, the logo right over here, and I'm going to click on that. Now here, if you click on site, a menu will pop up just like this, where you will find a publish site button, which you can then press and go on to publish the site very easily. However, as you can see in the Studio, you need to hover over site first, and then you have the access to publish the site. Now, if you already published it, here you'll find the option to unpublish it. However, all you need to do to publish that site is just to get here, click on publish, and then go through the entire process if there are any extra steps, and then you'll publish your site. Then you should modify your SEO so that people can find it on Google, but in essence, that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.